Kids Drawing and Learn.
Hello kids, let's find alphabets. A, B, C, D, let's find E. Yes, E. Wow. A, B, C, D, E. Let's find F. Where is F? Now find F. F. Find G. Yes, G. Let's find H. Oh no, this is H. H. Now let's find I. Hmm, I. Now let's find J. Now let's find K. Yes, K. Light blue K. Now let's find L. L. Now, yes, this is white color L. L. Find M. Now let's find N. This is N. N. Now let's find O. O. Let's find P. Now let's find Q. Q. Now let's find R. R is for red. And this. Now let's find S. S. S is for sun. Sun is yellow. S. Now let's find T. T. Wow, T is black. This is so beautiful. T. Now let's find U. U. U is umbrella. That U's color is pink. Yes. U. Now let's find V. V is here. V. And where is W? W. Yes, W is here. Fine. W. Wow. X. Yellow color. X. X. Y. Y is also pink. Y. And last Z. Z is so small. Z. Now learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, baby. Thanks for watching. Now subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.
Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.